When taking omega-3 fatty acids DHA-EPA capsules, it's important to follow the directions on the package label. If you have any questions, it's best to consult your doctor or pharmacist. If you are taking the enteric-coated capsules, make sure to swallow them whole. If you are taking the chewable form, be sure to chew thoroughly before swallowing. For the liquid form, it's essential to measure the dose carefully using a special device/spoon and not a household spoon. Some brands may need to be shaken well before use. If your condition persists or worsens, or if you suspect a serious medical issue, seek medical attention immediately. Some possible side effects of omega-3 fatty acids DHA-EPA capsules include fishy aftertaste, if your product is made from fish oil, nausea, bloating, or burping. If any of these effects persist or worsen, consult your doctor or pharmacist. If your doctor has recommended this product, it means that the benefits outweigh the potential risks. Many people using this medication do not experience serious side effects. However, it's important to contact your doctor immediately if you notice any serious side effects, such as easy bleeding or bruising. Although rare, a very serious allergic reaction to this drug is possible. Seek medical help right away if you experience symptoms such as rash, itching or swelling, especially of the face, tongue, or throat, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. This is not a complete list of possible side effects, so be sure to contact your doctor or pharmacist if you notice any other effects not listed here. In the US, you can report side effects to the FDA at 1-800-FDA-1088 or at www.fda.gov/medwatch. In Canada, you can report side effects to Health Canada at 1-866-234-2345. Before starting omega-3 fatty acids, make sure to let your doctor or pharmacist know about any allergies you may have, especially to fish or peanut/soy. This product may contain inactive ingredients that can cause allergic reactions. If you are pregnant, only use this medication if it is clearly needed and discuss the risks and benefits with your doctor. It is not known if this product passes into breast milk, so consult your doctor before breastfeeding. As for the daily dosage, it is recommended to take 1 to 4 capsules per day, or as directed by your doctor. It's best to take them with a meal to help with absorption. Omega-3 fatty acids have been shown to have many benefits, including supporting heart health, reducing inflammation, and improving brain function. The best time to take them is usually with breakfast or lunch. Always follow the instructions on the label or as directed by your healthcare provider. When taking omega-3 fatty acids DHA-EPA capsule, it's important to be aware of potential drug interactions. These interactions can impact how your medications work and may increase the risk of serious side effects. It's essential to keep a list of all the products you use, including prescription/non-prescription drugs and herbal products, and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. Do not start, stop, or change the dosage of any medicines without your doctor's approval. It's important to consult with your healthcare provider to ensure the safe and effective use of omega-3 fatty acids DHA-EPA capsule. If someone has taken too much of this medication and is experiencing severe symptoms like fainting or difficulty breathing, it's important to seek immediate medical help. In the US, you can call your local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222, and in Canada, you can call a provincial poison control center. Your doctor may order lab or medical tests such as cholesterol or liver function tests while you are taking these capsules. Be sure to keep all of your medical and lab appointments and consult your doctor for more information on these tests. If you happen to miss a dose of omega-3 fatty acids DHA-EPA capsule, take it as soon as you remember. If it's close to the time for your next dose, just skip the missed one. Don't take double the dose to make up for it. Stick to your regular dosing schedule. Make sure to check the storage instructions on the package before storing the omega-3 fatty acids DHA-EPA capsules. It's important to protect them from light and moisture, so avoid keeping them in the bathroom and refrain from freezing them. Also, remember to keep all medication out of reach of children and pets. When it comes to discarding the capsules, don't flush them down the toilet or pour them into a drain unless specifically instructed to do so. Instead, properly dispose of the product when it's expired or no longer needed. If you're unsure about the best way to do this, consult with your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for guidance. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.